In this video, we'll look at the new features implemented for the DevExpress ASP.NET Data Grid in our version 14.2 release. 3 major features have been added to help you and your end users work with the data grid: fixed group rows, a new Excel data-aware export, and a great new way to filter using the new search panel. Let's start by taking a look at the new fixed group row feature. Now, when end users scroll the grid rows, you can use the new fixed group rows feature and anchor the group row to the top when scrolling a group's data rows. To enable this feature, I set the settings behavior.allow fixed groups property to true. Now, when I scroll grid data, a group row is anchored to the top edge, and a special icon is displayed in the row on the right side. The next big feature is the new Excel export in data-aware mode. Starting with the version 14.2 release, the DevExpress ASP.NET Data Grid control uses our new data export engine by default. This new engine supports such grid features as data grouping, data sorting, and filtering, totals and group summaries, and fixed columns. This feature allows your end users to retain the data shaping options you've applied within the grid control prior to the export, and one which creates XLS, XLSX documents that are optimized for subsequent analysis within Microsoft Excel. Let's customize a grid layout and export it to Excel format using the DevExpress demos. I'll group the data by the category name column and expand the first group. Also, I'll sort rows by the unit price column. Note that the grid provides group and total summaries. Now I export the data and open it in Excel. You can see that the layout settings we applied in the data grid are retained in Excel as well. The data is grouped, and I can expand and collapse the groups. The sorting is retained too, and the summaries are represented as functions in the Excel data cells. Finally, let's take a look at the powerful new way to filter the DevExpress ASP.NET Data Grid in 14.2. The new feature called Search Panel allows your end users a quick and easy way to search the grid's rows and columns from one text box. End users can filter the data by typing the filter criteria in the panel editor, and the grid will highlight the search results. To enable this feature, set the settings search panel.visible property to true. You can also customize search panel functionality using the settings provided by the settings search panel property. Additionally, you can display the apply and clear buttons. For example, I can disable the text input delay so the filter is not applied automatically, but when I press enter or the search button. Now I can apply a filter by clicking the search button. The clear button allows you to clear the search panel text. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing DevExpress.